Cosmus hates the German sausages. He always fears the worst.
The worst.
Yeah, I love puns. My friend Steve drowned, so at his funeral he got him a wreath in the shape of a life belt. Well, that's what he would have wanted.
Yeah.
You know why the Mexican took Xanax? For Hispanic attacks.
Hispanic attacks.
Yeah, I tried to sue the airline. I lost my luggage. I lost my case.
No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Okay, that's funny.
I got a phobia over-engineered buildings. It's a complex.
The complex.
Who didn't know keep all his bees in the archives? Oh, yeah.
Archive.
Oh, man, did you hear that the guy who invented throat lozenges died last week? There was no coffin at the funeral.
No.
Oh, my God.
3 blonde men are on a boat one day, and they all smoke, and they got 4 cigarettes, but nothing to light them up with. So they throw one of the cigarettes overboard, and the whole boat becomes a cigarette lighter.
Oh.
Of course, they couldn't light him. All right, a Mexican magician told his audience he would disappear on the count of 3, and he went, unos, dos, and then poof, he disappeared without a trace.
No.
No trace. Unos, dos, and poof, he disappeared without a trace.
Yeah.
Randy's girlfriend tried to make him have sex on the hood of his Honda Civic. But he said, if I'm going to have sex, it's going to be on my own accord. I started a company selling landmines disguised as prayer mans.
Nice.
Profits are going through the roof.
Good. I like that one. Good.
Yeah, somebody got killed with a starting pistol today. The cops think it might be race related.
Oh.
I wanted to learn how to stick shift, but I couldn't find a manual.
You're killing me. Oh my God.
Y'all know what you call kids who are born in a whorehouse? Brothel sprouts. If Catboy was addicted to masturbation, and then he became addicted to sex, would it be safe to say his addiction got out of hand?
That's true, Catboy. Admit it. Come on, admit it.
Yeah, I just got kicked out of a karaoke night for in Danger Zone 6 times in a row. They said I exceeded my maximum number of logins attempts.
Hitting logins, oh God.
Oh, Jesus, that's old. Oh my God. Yeah.
Why was the little ink drop crying?
Don't know.
Because his mother was in the pen and he didn't know how long the sentence would be.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh my God, where do you find these? Oh.
What happened when the semicolon broke grammar laws? He was given 2 consecutive sentences. Let's separate those, boys and girls. This guy goes to a costume party with nothing but a naked woman on his back. What are you supposed to be then, the confused host asked. I'm a turtle, the man said. What a load of rubbish, the host says. How can you be a turtle when all you got is that naked woman on your back? Oh, her, the man says? That's just Michelle. It's Michelle.
Oh, jeez. I got it.
A public safety officer came up to a large group of people outside a department store and said, "What's happening?" All officer said, "These people are waiting to get a Barbie doll." And the public safety officer shook his head and said, "Who can resist a barbecue?"
No.
Cute. A lizard walks in a bar pushing a baby in a stroller. "What's your kid's name?" asked the bartender. "Tiny," says the lizard, "'cause he's minute." He's minute, N-E-W-T-F.
Only from an English teacher can you get these words of wisdom. Oh, man.
You know, I put all my spare cash into a business in origami, but it folded.
You see what I'm saying? There you go. That's what I'm saying.
You know Forrest Gump's email password, don't you, Randy? One, Forrest, one.
That ran a board.
I'm going to
The
use
other day
that.
I'm out downtown and I saw this wino and he's outside this bar eating grapes and I said, you gotta wait. I got an EpiPen. My friend gave it to me when he was dying and it seemed really important to him that I have it.
And he died anyway. Oh, my God.
Oh.
I can totally understand how batteries feel because I'm rarely ever included in things either.
Oh, batteries not included. Oh.
Yeah, Roman walked into a bar and he asked for martinis. You mean martini? The bartender says, and the Roman says, if I wanted a double, I would have asked for it.
Okay.
Jean-Paul Sartre is sitting at a French cafe revising his draft of Being and Nothingness. And he says to the waitress, I would like a cup of coffee, please, with no cream. And the waitress says, I'm sorry, monsieur, but we're out of cream. How about with no milk? I have a couple Spanish for
Breathe, Randy, breathe.
Sanovi. Sven says to Oli, I found this pen. Is it yours? And Oli says, oh, no, give it here. And then he tries it, and he says, yes, it is. And Sven says, how do you know? And Oli says, that's my handwriting. Oli was talking with his brother Sven, who lived next door, and Sven says, you know, Oli, you and Lena should really get some new curtains. Why's that? Oli asked. Well, last night I saw you and Lena. Well, you know. Oli thought for a minute. He says, ha ha, Sven, the joke's on you. I wasn't even home last night. Oli and Sven went fishing one day in a rented boat and were catching fish like crazy. And Oli says, we better mark this spot so we can come back tomorrow and catch more fish. And Sven then proceeded to mark the bottom of the boat with a big X. And Oli says, what are you doing? And Sven says, I'm marking the spot so we can come back to catch more fish. And Oli says, dummy, how do you know if you're going to get the same boat tomorrow?
Aye, but you're sitting on your bait. Well, how do you know she had worms?
And my last Oli in Sven is, well, it's Lars and Oli. Lars says, Oli, stand in front of my car and tell me if the turn signals are working. Oli goes, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no. That's mine for the night, boys and girls.
Oh, that's how you know that's the Canadian second life, right?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm stuck.
Damn.
There we go. Turn.
We got unstuck.
There, I'm unstuck.
Super
All
cool.
right. Now remember, we do have a musician tonight. We got Grace McDonough. And before I go on to the